Hi, welcome to the Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, I'm one of the volunteers here, and I'd like to talk to you about slow cooking. It has many advantages, including being more economical, better nutrition and better time efficiency. Stay tuned and I'll go for a recipe with you. Today we're making a sweet potato and lamb tagine inspired by North African cuisine. The ingredients are 600 grams of chopped lamb, 2 onions, 4 cloves of garlic, 300 grams of sweet potato, that's between 1 and 2 depending on the size, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 100 millilitres of hot stock, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, 1 tin of chickpeas, 4 teaspoons of harissa paste, 2 tablespoons of sugar and salt and pepper. We start by cutting off all visible fat from the lamb, discard the fat, chop to about 3 centimetre portions. Chop the onions, crush the garlic cloves, take a spoonful each of coriander, cinnamon and cumin. If you don't have these herbs, you can use anything. I'd just suggest experimenting. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 4 teaspoons of harissa paste. This is used in Middle Eastern and North African dishes. It's a mixture of spices and chilli. Peel a sweet potato and chop into approximately 3 centimetre cubes. Rinse the chickpeas. Now add the ingredients to the slow cooker. So we've got lamb, onions and sweet potato, garlic, our spice mix. As I say, you can play around with this, add or take away ingredients as you like. Our rinsed chickpeas, 2 tins of tomatoes and stock, and salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good stir and leave it to cook for 6 to 8 hours on low or 4 to 5 hours on high. This is fantastic served with couscous or rice. Also goes really well with low fat yoghurt.